Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting where the system actually controls auto brightness. Open settings and go straight to accessibility, then display and text size. This is the concrete path Apple uses now. Once there, you'll see auto brightness listed. Don't look in display since recent iOS moved it. Toggle it on to let the sensor adjust screen output automatically. Make sure your phone hasn't been forced into low power mode because that can change behavior. If it is, disable it before continuing. With auto brightness enabled, verify it's responding. Once done, step into bright sunlight and then a dim room while observing screen brightness. The change should be perceptible within a few seconds. If brightness doesn't budge, make sure low power mode is off and that your screen protector or case isn't covering the light sensor near the front camera. Also confirm True Tone is enabled or disabled per your preference because it alters color temperature, but not auto brightness responsiveness. Finish by restarting the iPhone so the setting fully initializes. A reboot often fixes quirks. If automatic changes remain inconsistent, remove any case or screen film that might block the ambient light sensor and retest in varied lighting. Make sure your iOS is up to date since system updates fix sensor issues. If you still have problems after an update and restart, contact Apple support or visit a service provider. Sensor calibration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.